reka nkureke reka iyo nanjye kuvuga nga nibona Marion iri cat nimba maravuga reka nyine yo nsakomeje ko ngiye wayiguriye sibyo
ice cream
kandi ayikunze
zirimo taka ice cream mu mugani
isuko wagize gutya n'amalashes
I don't want to be in.
I'm a role model
amaze ko uri role model ndahirya
Okay, uri here?
we love you too we love you all how tall are you Kathia de 1m68
I can't wait to watching all of you guys imagine I'm vlogging
umuntu yarakwandikiye kuva yiga muri secondaire arangije university
sweetheart tell me your name right now kabita musubiza muri aka kanya
umva tugiye kuba abantu bavloga neza dusigaye dufite amakamera
Kathia ni indi level ese mwabonye ko nsigaye nzi ku baking cake cyangwa wa baking
bivuga uko yari imeze
babwiye ko yari imeze
Yari Kathia mu cake ziraryoshye.
ejo wari uhari
mwabonye ko nsigaye baking cake shangwa ajya mu byakira music ibi
hari ikintu yashizemo hariya mu kirere isukari Well, you're getting this guy that's what you
Tracy, thank you, my love.
I don't understand French. Can we? 1m68, I guess. 1m68. You should have a reality show. Hello from America. Huge fan. Breakfast. Kuki ntago kiri mwahonga ni message
Niki musatsi sise.
ni message mbonye
umva niki mabyenzi mfata kandi mbanze mvuge wati nkabanza nkavuga wamaye umwanya umva nsigaye mfata ama vlogs noneho kera turi kuri Kigali Heights nsigaye mfata ama vlogs no nkumva nshaka kuvuga ibintu nyine urumva ariko I lost myself
turi abantu baturase
katurinde
muri Amerika ntabwo ugomba kubura ikintu umwanzi wawe arasaka kurasa
abanza umugendera nawe mutabizi
ntabwo ugira ibibona
urumva nyine noneho nkashaka kuvuga ariko nasanze
mais ça fait longtemps que j'ai pas parlé français donc ça va être un peu compliqué et les beaucoup de boicage this is my life Brenda, you have a beautiful smile why did you wear braces by the way
I needed them.
ngo Brenda mudukuna byina ngo Brenda tumeyane umva nawe gwimubwiye aza kubitaga
ariko katrebe na muntu ushaka kuza kuri live yacu muze duseke
ngiye nkumbuye kwizera
tuzane monde
kokoa
inde
uwo wa mbere gusa kugiye uwo wa mbere wo hasi cyane
help me with a job I can be a chef wala I need a job a chef no kuri a chef
kuri Instagram
la sinya kontra yego twari cyese umushefo kuri Instagram
mutwifotoza abasista nuko kabere mbabonye cyangwa twifotoza ndakeditinga kabere kamera
slide in the DMs I know someone who wants a chef Hey Kathia, you looked amazing on your date. Oh, merci beaucoup.
No, guys, Kathia had the most beautiful wedding. Yeah.
Oh, by the way,
It was really beautiful.
narafashe invitation nandikira Yesu ndamubwira
what did you use?
kuri Kimana ndamubwira ngo Naomi do not touch me. ndamubwira oh Jesus umva it would be an honor to have you. ndamwandikira no kurira tellement que nari nishimye. Actually yes yaranaje.
Then muri this yanjye ya 21 days of fasting.
Uvuze ngo iki?
Ngera imbuga tuzagira ubwo bwiza. Umva nkubwire Kathia. Umva umuntu avuze ngo Kathia ngo na mingura ndufite impeta nziza. Twese dufite impeta nziza.
Nje niyo baza ku mafimbo nari kuyambara mbiki.
Niyo bamo umugozi. Niyo umana ariko
narasenze iyo umereza fimbo.
We're not material girls. We're not.
Nje bambaje wearing ishaka ndavuga ishaka.
Material girls.
Akiziri nziza.
Kuko bakunda mu material mu muzimu.
Mbiki
bakunda mu material.
Kuvuga materialist.
Nyine material girls.
Don't get it.
umugozi
Where do you learn
photography hire me a job squee
Yes.
ariko we amazi y'icyuzi bivuze iki amazi y'icyuzi
Hello?
Naomi iyo misatsi
ni mibi pe
ubu bwiki
reka nkubaze Mike
wariye
reka iyo nanjye kuvuga nga nibona Marions iri cut nimba muravuga reka nyine yo nsakomeje ko ngiye wayiguriye si byose
ice cream
kandi ayikunze
zirimo taka ice cream wo mugani
batugure ice cream
Baby.
hano everyone
watuguriye hariya kuri
Ngende.
tukabigukorera
Umugani mu Kinyarwanda.
Naomi ngo please speak what you have to say
muri seretende utugure ice
as soon as I start talking on this live mtanimbona
Tugomba
mbuga
gushyira
tumo turagenda tuzenguka ahantu hose ngo ngera
Ngende ni mugabo.
ngaje
kanye mbareka rero mujye muvuga ibyo mushaka byo muza muhura imitima yanyu imitima yanyu irarushye
amafaranga nicyo amazi y'icyuza avuze
Reka
narebye
amasoni
narebye na video ko sinjumva neza
amasoni amazi y'icyuzi. Sibyo?
merci ma chérie
Naomi iyo misatsi ni myiza cyane bebe
none kiza kimisatse kambe kukuroza ngiye muri promotion urabona yanga n'amazi cyafata gutya ukagira gutya make ukatugira gutya urabona mitanga ruriki ama curls nkankoze iki advertisement
Naomi yapana kuri live yanjye abantu ntabwo ugiye dukorana
oya iyo mbese nakoranye nabo ko rero nayiguriye ngaturuka yigira
ukorera
umuntu
umuntu
Brett sabe serviette
oya umunsi umwe nini cyahanga ndi kuvugana n'umushyiri wanjye turi guseka gutya mbona umuntu arayushye nkaho turi gusakuza eske iyi ni live no
yavuze ngo iki
no yahindutse nkaho
akati nawe ujye guseka rero biri respectful
oh shushu please buriyo ntacyo wikanga uraseka ubwo se kintu atasa
Brett was inside
I love this girl
Naomi.
I love this girl so much we love you too
Naomi, who's your favorite football player to the n'umugabo wanjye
I'm going to do
nawe
basket.
munzu cya basket
Mantiera ndamukubita.
C'était où pour la lune de miel? Ah, je suis partie à Seychelles et puis après je suis partie à Abu Dhabi et puis après à Dubaï. Vraiment c'était
ballers even when they talk you feel it
c'était génial. But I love Dubai so much, guys. I don't know why. Niba kuna kuzina tabona ma etage maremare cyane. There's something about being in Dubai that
Shania, I love you
takes away
so
your
much.
depression.
Shania, you also deserve your flowers. You're such a sweetheart. Imana nawe ujye gutetesha. Umva njye muzamusengera imigisha mujye mugira Imana na Mana uteteshe na mubyandike rero ndebe ko mwabyumvisha.
Naomi arumuna ndetse ngo Makari yavuze ngo Naomi answer my call.
Makare ninde?
Yes. Uri kuturogoya buri
Makari cyangwa mahari.
Makari.
Bagenda
Ariko
bakunda
this Kathia uri keza this. Merci. Ngubu iyo bivuze gutyo hari ukuntu ugeze kubona se ukabona umutima wawe kubwira ikindi.
muzamure kwizera ariko. Kwizera ari hehe? Kwizera kurenze kuva kuri live.
Kera accepting abantu noneho oya ari kwibaza
Ngo Mana uteteshe nawe
Mana teteshe nibyo ubwo ngo wavuga
hallelujah hallelujah hallelujah
isa
Kera rakaye.
yabayabajwe n'iki
Brenda umukure mu bintu muri.
ese ke uri he
uri kera ntabwo turi kuri first time turi kuri live uri hehe se
Imana iteshe
reka twamenye yawe byagenze gute
ntabwo barankorera umva bayi bava hano gute sunde ni gute njemo hano babivamo gute
katire ko ariko tugukuyeho
kanga turabizi sha
si ça va from Centrafrique
Naomi ndagukunda
Naomi je t'aime no tumyera dosoma
These people.
reka ndeka mbayitiremo
Chris Brown se ni Chris Brown
amagara abantu bataranyana batubwira visiting abantu tuze Rwanda
one in the break Imana iguteteshe
makenzi natwe muri tureba
Hi guys.
hi but we wanna see your face
Oh my god, ndi gusa nabi.
oh
girl
yihangane
it's okay twiyereke
Ndagutegereje.
aho katufiteho filter wowe ni gutyo se
Ni gutya nsa nyine.
shushu tukuretse yabanze kutwiyereka
Mugomba ko twiyereka. Ni gute twe twiyereka?
kadufunga amaso Fidaus. Who's your favorite artist? I love Umugabo. I love Bruce Melody. I love King Sol. I love
Juno Kizigenza.
Akuse abantu ko muri kuza kusura.
Kathia kubanza.
No.
You don't show your face right over.
Hey, akuyerebaga gasobanura.
Muri aba marayika.
Ndasuhuje Mackenzie ndabakunda Kathia wisiga ayahe mavuta.
Wisiga yahera. Mu maso wisiga skin by. We can see you. We can see you. We can see you. That's why I was going to see.
I love you guys. We love you too.
We love you too. What's your name?
Follow me back, guys.
Follow me back. No, we will. But what's your name? We can see where you. Where? That's what I was trying to say.
Birarenda. Munsurize Teresa tuzoriye we. Cha dufite musaza wacu umwana mwiza.
Ndamukunda mana cyane.
Simukumbura. N'umwana mwiza.
Ubwo tuzi ko tumukunda letazi.
Bahita bavuga ati bari kukuvuga.
Umwana mwiza aradusengera. Akora ibintu biba muri filime sinzi kwimana.
Umva kiri madna ari hehe?
Uko umunsi wanjye wapfuye. Ibintu byose nakora nakoze. Njye nagomba gukora byinshi. Nego saba.
You make me hate this city, but I don't talk shit about you one day.
Mukoze mu Burundi please.
Mbere mutipe
muzoze mu Burundi.
Mutipe ambaye.
Mpaka barasimbira abantu.
Hi Naomi.
Hi.
I love you guys.
Thank you. Bakwita gute?
Charlene.
Charlene. Amakuru Charlene.
Thank you.
Amakuru. Mama guys. Nakupenda pia. Oh. My baby on here. Hey. Look who's here. Hey. Hello, husband. But I have this. What are you eating, baby? They can do. Huh? What you eating?
I'm drinking some tea.
Kathia. Kathia, mama. Okay. I don't know why I felt like you were eating something.
I just finished my breakfast. What you doing at what's that? Kigali Heights?
Baby, you were so loud. Do you know I had to reduce the volume?
What you doing at Kigali Heights?
Baby, we're waiting for Kelly. You know Kelly, yeah?
Yeah, I see you. I'm not gonna see you till midnight.
That's why I could have done something else.
I told you we could have went to the bank.
Yeah, it's all right. But you can still come. I'm here. My Kigali hat.
Okay, baby. I just wanted to see you. I just wanted to say hey real quick.
Okay, mom, baby. I love you.
So I love you too.
Say it like you mean it, please.
Ndagukunda cyane.
Naye ndagukunda. Bisous. Mwah. You know how to. Okay. Nakupenda pia. Oh, my baby on here. Hey. Look who's here. Hey. Hello, husband. But I have this. What are you eating, baby? They can do. Huh? What you eating?
I'm drinking some tea.
Katrere. Kathia, maman. Okay. I don't know why I felt like you were eating something.
I just finished my breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
What you doing at what's that?
Hey.
Kigali Heights?
Baby, you were so loud. Do you know I had to reduce the volume?
What you doing at Kigali Heights?
Baby, we're waiting for Kelly. You know Kelly, yeah?
Yeah, I
I
see
thought I
you.
could have done
I'm not
something.
gonna see you till midnight.
I thought I could have done something else. Could
I
have
told you
waited
we
at the
could have went to the
house.
bank.
Yeah, it's all right. But you can still come. I'm here. My Kigali hat.
Mm-mm. As a matter of fact, while you there, I'll text you actually what I what I need you to do.
We're not on FaceTime, baby.
I was
There are
about
like
to go in.
3,000 people in this
I was
conversation.
about to go in to start telling you what you had to do and everything. Okay, baby. I just wanted to see. I just wanted to say hey real quick.
Okay, mon baby, I love you.
So I love you too.
Say it like you mean it, please. Come on
Ndagukunda
now.
cyane.
Naenda gukunda. Bisous.
Mm.
Mwah. You know how to. Okay. My hair is giving thank you.
Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Nitwa Tony.
Tony. Ashante
Yeah.
Tony. Wahe wa mu
Ndabakunda.
Rwanda.
Bajaman.
Wa German.
Yeah.
Ah, uherutse mu Rwanda ryari?
Hashize imyaka ibiri.
Hashize imyaka ibiri. Uzagaruka
Yeah.
ryari?
Ntabwo ndabimenya.
Ntabwo urabimenya.
Ndi kwiga.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ashante. Uri kwiga iki?
Yeah. Ndi kwiga Ikidage. IT.
Cyonyine nicyo uri kwiga? Cyangwa ni?
Ndi kwiga Ikidage.
Ah, ni koko ndi ubanza kwiga Ikidage mbere yuko wiga andi masomo yandi. Ah, okay.
Yeah. Ubanza kwiga Ikidage kugira ngo ubone uko wiga ibindi.
Ibindi
Hano
byose
ni ururimi rw'Ikidage gusa bavuga.
byose nawe ibindi byose ukatubyiga mu Kidage. None se uzahita uba mu Budage?
Ya nza mu Budage.
Niyo nyine uzaba
nzaba hano ariko nzajya nza mu Rwanda ntembere gutyo.
Okay. That's nice.
Say hi to Naomi.
Naomi. Hi.
Hi. Ndabakunda guys. Wagize ubukwe bwiza.
Oh, merci beaucoup. Thank you. Thank you for joining.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Kathia, how many times did I call you? Who is sweet? Urukundo namwe mbakunda cyane. Yo, mwanizi neza. Ngo toothpaste. Mungu nkoresha ya Donis. Ariko ntabwo nibuka izina ryayo ariko je ko amenyo yanjye asa umweru cyane ahubwo nshaka kuyagira umweru. Nshaka kugenda bakayagira umweru neza. Iyo nzansikana nka no? You guys are so incredible, and the fact that you guys are born again is so beautiful. No good, the guy. Life is Jesus. You know Jesus? Vous parlez français? Oui, on essaye un peu. Donc, la mienne, c'est familial. Merci beaucoup. Naomi ngo kuba babeshye mu Q&A with the Mackenzies. Ese ntabwo twese dukora Q&A.
abakobwa mva reka mbabwira abakobwa ese kurumva imbaraga zinjize mu we imbaraga mwansengeye kurumva
Erekana. Reka ngiye gupininga ino comment muze kugenda kuri Instagram yabo. Muze kugenda kuri Instagram yabo nyine murebe ankoresha ubandikiramo message ukababwira type of skin yawe ufite n'iki hanyuma bakakohereza ama skin care nyine ukeneye. Kuko niba ufite hari igihe ufite skin yawe y'amavuta cyangwa iri oily cyangwa iri dry cyangwa iri both, you know, nagukoresha ama products amwe. Rero iyo wandikiye ukamenya skin yawe ukuntu imeze n'iki baragwira. Oh, n'ikindi kintu kwisiga sunscreen. Clock it. Nubwo mbere ngo clock it. Ntabwo ndabikoze. Ntabwo nyanyibuka. Clock it. Sini gutya.
you make me
Okay, let's stop business. Who though? What do you mean? Me? Personally, you're talking about Zoe. Because Zoe, we're not working. Ariko, we're starting very soon. Very, very, very soon. We're working on it. Congratulations for your wedding. Merci beaucoup. Chef, nukuri niba wanyandikiye ndibuze kuyibona. Thank you so much. How are you, darling? Naomi na Penta baze kuri kamera nabo tubona. Ntabwo nukuri nabafashe bose baricaye Naomi yananiwe. Where is Adonis? Adonis is home, maybe. Anyways, it was nice being here. Yes, so thank you for joining. Thank you for being in my life. I need to save my battery. Bye.
no it's gatoya guys I'm gonna post the cake that I baked yesterday so ngiye kushira mu kanya nima kushira mutu mujya guposting mutu mujya muri comment muvuga oh my god the best cake, oh my god the best cake, oh my god the best cake, you know, you like it because I need encouragement. Ugomba kubaho bakayijyaho batabinga nzabaharata manze mujye gukomeza
Mugani kureba ibintu z'abantu batari buguteho. Okay, the first time.
Okay, mandiki okay my god, oh my god that looks like a good cake.
Wambashije sinari.
Badeka tubaze Kathia iriye.
Wambashije nani?
Naomi? Tujye kwaza Kathia. Ushizemo umunyu. Ko nawe nabonye mu byo.
Ariko yarashize ntiyashize se. Nereka mangashi.
Yarashize yaribwo sinebayiri. Black mango.
Who said black mango?
Your husband.
Where?
Ndamubonye.
Hey, mano, muri comments.
Ay atayiri byose kabisa.
My husband, you calling me? Black mango. Hey, hubby. You make me happy, sweetie. Adonis is here. By the way, did you guys subscribe to my husband's YouTube channel? Ungo ufite YouTube channel. With Adonis, make sure you subscribe, you watch, you like, you share, you comment. Who, me? Almost 60K.
So you have 59.
Okay, you know, last year when I started my YouTube channel, last year 50K.
50K?
Last year. No, year nje kurangira mfite
60K.
Nyine nta harenze. Ntabwo kubyumva. I feel like it's because I don't post that much.
Ariko post more and
ngiye
more.
kugaruka neza. Ngiye kugaruka mbese I'm back and better. Baby, you wanna come here and talk about your YouTube channel? Shanje ibyo bintu by'amafaranga y'icyuzi ntabwo mbizi kabisa. Narebye nta video ariko ntabwo mbyumva.
amafaranga y'icyuzi uriya mu yarimo aravuga ku nyine hari amafaranga batabahaye ni nk'ahantu wajya gucukura nyine hari nk'icyuzi amafaranga y'icyuzi nyine nk'uko navuga nk'uko navuga ahantu twahinze cyangwa twacukuye hari
bahashize amazi
navuga amafaranga y'ubutaka hari n'umushahara bari kubisobanura kuri TikTok reka tongere
ntabwo byumva sinzi impamvu biri I don't even know why it's a thing
cyangwa ahari nashobora
Naomi nawe ntabyazi
ibyuzi by'amafi
yeah, I think what I think is correct.
Skin by
Who did your lashes? Is this called no, is this woman called Nikki Lashes? Body lotion. Nisiga Vaseline, the oil Vaseline. Nisiga Vaseline. I can't even understand half of the stuff you're. Let me see. A man talking. How come, baby? I'm teaching you can't run now. What you saying? Can't even understand the stuff you're saying. I said. uri kuzimbwira ngo tuvuge ko utazi kuzi kwigirisha se gute baza kusobanurira Kathia, I love you so much. Thank you. Ese kuvugana nande harya Mireille? Yitwa Mireille? Guys, I want to cut my hair a little bit shorter. Turn on the camera. You can't see me? Zamure n'abahungu nyine. Urashaka wowe kuzamuka uri umuhungu ngwino wowe tukuzamure. Mutami mumbere. Ariko dusabye discipline hano n'ikinyabupfura sibyo. When is your husband taking you to the States? Very soon you'll see it.
That's not even their business though.
No, it's alright. It's okay to ask. Newlywed Kathia, I like your vibes, guys. Imigisha myinshi nabasuhuje ndabakunda. Manu tetesha Naomi.
Okay, attends.
Natweretse abandi muri kumwe na Brenda do.
Why kuki gutyo?
Kuki gutyo? Hello, bite?
Nziza.
Amakuru.
Ni meza.
Witwa gute?
Nitwa Daniela.
Witwa Daniela. Twishimiye kukumenya Daniela.
Urakoze Naomi?
Naomi ngwino usuze Daniela. Hi. Umbana tujye kugira nka radio. Urasuhuza nde?
Okay. Ndasuhuza inshuti zanjye, ndasuhuza Jennifer. Jennifer babiri, ndasuhuza Eliane. Ndasuhuza Josiane.
Mbawe kukumva kabisa. Bazamureba.
N'abandi bose inshuti zanjye ndabasuhuza.
Yo, mwese inshuti za Daniela arabasuhuje. Twishimiye kukumenya. Merci beaucoup. Bye. Ninde udashaka kuza gusuhuza? Hano turi gusuhuza. Gaturebe. Dushake n'abahungu. Abahungu muze. Kathia ntabwo watubwiye amavuta. Nisiga Vaseline imwe ya oil. Mu maso. Apana mu maso nisiga ya Korean skincare. Ntabwo tukumva. Oya, manza wafashe kuri mikro. Yo, reba connection yawe maze utongera ugaruke.
Uwa. Ari.
Randa zakora ubukwe ryari. Twabibaza Yesu. Isa katubwi. Cause you made me hate this city.
Eko n'umugabo yarebye umwana wavuye mu gisike kuneye.
Yo. Ese we ni kiri mazla byavuye he?
Madla c'est Mandela.
Mandela. Mandela. I see. Amenyo meza, Madame Kathia. Oh, merci. Muzikana by my braces 2 times. Intro ebyiri. Brenda yarambiwe ubanza agiye kuyakora amataragiye.
Simbyumva kuntu amaze 2 years. Hajya amaze 2 years. Uzambaye.
Ntabwo mbizi. More than that, to be honest.
I can't talk, I can't eat, I can't sleep. I don't know.
No, this is my real hair. So nakuyemo ariko let me can bahereza like a hint. Umuntu wirirwa abantu bashaka ibintu bya plante n'iki cyose ntabwo njye umuntu wanshiragaho plante mbere yaragiye. So yarahindutse nyine. Uzi ubu ngubu I go for someone uri unsuke udukonura dutoya like the smallest kandi nkamenya ko